Hello students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin an online session of Standard 4th Mathematics with your teacher Mrs. Vandana Ghagre. Dear students, today in the lesson 6th weight, we will see how to convert bigger unit into smaller one, means how to convert kilogram into gram and kilogram and gram into gram. So let's have a look. See here the weight by which we can measure anything. The weight of any objects, different objects and different materials we can weight. 500 gram, 1 kg weight, 100 gram. So in this way it is the balance which we used to use in the marketplace. So we use this to measure the weight of any object. So we will see how to convert the bigger units into smaller one, that is kg into gram and kg and gram into gram. Now do you remember, dear students, gram and kilogram? See here again the balance and the electric beam balance by which electronic machine it is, by which we can measure the weight. And we know 1 kilogram equals to what? 1000 gram. 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. And we also know the standard unit of weight is kilogram. The standard unit of weight is kilogram. So what is weight? 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram and standard unit of weight is kilogram. Now one small activity I am giving you. You have to name any 5 things sold by the shopkeeper by measuring the weight. Means if you think about the biscuits and chocolates, it is not measured by the weight. So you have to think about that names by which you can get that things only when shopkeeper measure that through the balance. Now here you can guess which unit you will choose to express the following. Smaller one gram, greater one kilogram. See here 1 gram means 100 centigram and 1 centigram means 10 milligram, just as a length we have seen in the length. Milligram is the smallest unit of the weight. So no difference in there, only the difference in centimeter, meter, millimeter. Okay. So weight of an orange, weight of a car, weight of your pencil box, weight of a bag of a cement, it is used measured by kg. It's too heavy, no? Weight of the gold chain, it is measured by mg. And weight of the orange. So just think about it. Some of you I already told you and some you have to think. Now see here how to convert bigger units into smaller one. Converting kilograms into gram. It's a very easy one. 1 kg equals to what? 100 gram. 1 kg equals to 100 gram. So what we will do? We will simply multiply the kilogram by 1000 to convert kilogram into grams. Isn't it easy? Yes, it is. What we will do? We will simply multiply by 1000 to convert kilogram into grams. So see here one example, solved example, and some blanks are there. So 7 kg equals to what? 7 into 1000 gram. So that gives you 7000 gram. Now 13 kg. 13 kg means 13 into 1000 gram. So that gives you 13,000 gram. Next example is 27 kg. So by which number you will multiply 27? You will multiply 27 by 1000 gram. See here 27 multiplied by 1000 gram. So what is the answer? Its answer is 27,000 gram. Isn't it so easy? Yes, it is. Now here we will see how to convert kilograms in grams into grams. It's again the easy one because you have already studied how to convert kilogram into gram. So let's convert here 6 kilogram 750 gram into grams. So 6 kilogram 750 grams means what? 6 kg means 6000 gram. Just now we have seen, no? Yes. So 6 kg equals to 6000 gram. So write down that 6000 gram plus 750 gram. So that gives you 6750 gram. So we convert the number of kilograms into gram first, as we have seen in the previous slide, and then we only add to it the number of grams. It's so easy. First convert into gram and then add grams into that gram which we have converted. So easy, no? So here is a small assignment on the easiest topic, how to convert kilograms into grams and how to convert kilogram and gram into gram. And I hope you might have clear idea about its conversion, isn't it? So why you are waiting? Take your book and pen and start doing the assignment. See here, true false, already answers are given. Now you have to think about it for a while and whether it is true or false, that you can guess. So thank you dear students. Have a nice day.